Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth stopped spinning? Would we fly off into space? Would the sun never set? Would the oceans freeze? In this video, we are going to explore this fascinating and terrifying scenario. But before we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, creating day and night cycles and seasons. But what if this rotation suddenly came to a halt? How would it affect the planet and its inhabitants? Let's find out. First of all, if Earth stopped spinning abruptly, the consequences would be catastrophic. The atmosphere, oceans, and everything on the surface would continue to move at the same speed as before, which is about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. This means that there would be massive winds, tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions all over the world. Most living things would be wiped out in a matter of hours or days. But let's assume that Earth stopped spinning gradually over a period of millions of years. In this case, the effects would be less dramatic, but still significant. One of the most noticeable changes would be the length of the day. Without rotation, one side of Earth would always face the sun, while the other side would always face away from it. This would create a permanent day and night cycle, with each lasting for 6 months. The temperature difference between the day and night sides would also be extreme. The day side would be scorching hot, while the night side would be freezing cold. Only a narrow band of habitable land would exist around the twilight zone, where the sun rises and sets. The climate and weather patterns would also change drastically. Without rotation, there would be no Coriolis force, which is responsible for creating winds and ocean currents. The atmosphere and oceans would become stagnant and stratified, reducing rainfall and biodiversity. Another major change would be the shape of Earth. Right now, Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator due to its rotation. This is called an oblate spheroid. If Earth stopped spinning, it would gradually become a perfect sphere. This means that the equator would shrink and the poles would expand, changing the distribution of land and water on the planet. Finally, one of the most important effects of Earth's rotation is that it generates a magnetic field around the planet. This magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. It also helps animals navigate using magnetoreception. If Earth stopped spinning, its magnetic field would weaken and eventually disappear. This would expose us to more radiation and make navigation more difficult. As you can see, Earth's rotation is essential for life as we know it. It affects everything from our day and night cycles to our climate and geography. Without it, Earth would be a very different and hostile place. So let's hope that Earth never stops spinning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. See you next time.